In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Netflix account on your mobile device in just a few simple steps. Open the browser on your mobile device and search for Netflix. Click on the official Netflix website link. On the Netflix homepage, scroll down to find options like Choose Your Plan or Help Center. Click the Sign In button at the top or bottom of the page. On the Sign In page, look for the option that says Sign Up Now at the bottom and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in and click Get Started. On the next screen, set a password for your account and click Next. You will be asked to select a subscription plan. Options may include mobile plan, basic plan, standard plan, premium plan, that is 4K. Choose the plan that suits your needs and click Next. Netflix will display a welcome offer such as discounts on premium plans for the first month. Select your plan and proceed to set up your payment method. Options include credit and debit cards, PayPal, or other local payment methods. Once you've entered your payment details, click Start Membership and you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Netflix account on mobile. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies and shows anytime, anywhere.